Dear data analyst, data analyst is actually the best and the easiest skill you can learn in today's world because as everything you need to learn to become a data analyst, and then after learning this skill you can work in any industry. You have multiple options to work in. Okay, you can work in any industry, from the government to the media industry to the finance sector to the mining industry to the oil industry, anywhere at all. You can work in any industry as a data analyst. Okay, and guess what, I'll be sharing with you all you need to become a data analyst in this video. To become a data analyst, you need only 4 things to become a data analyst, and I'll be sharing those 4 things with you in this video. All you just need to do is sit to the end of this video and make sure you watch to the end so you can actually learn how to become a data analyst. And as you are watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends so you don't miss out on this opportunity as well. The first thing you need to become a data analyst is statistics. You need to learn statistics to become a data analyst because statistics is actually like a bedrock of data analysis. If you don't know statistics at all, you are not going to be a success in data analysis. Okay, just have to learn statistics to a certain point. So learn the descriptive statistics, the inferential statistics, the probabilistic statistics, and the hypothesis testing part of statistics. Okay, and then learn some basic things about statistics as well. The second thing you need to learn to become a data analyst is what we call Excel. So Excel is actually a spreadsheet package that is used for data entry, data management, for accounting, financial analysis, and financial reports. Okay, so there are basic things you need to learn in Excel. Okay, you have to learn the basic functions in Excel, the text functions in Excel, the lookup functions in Excel, like the X lookup, the V lookup, the H lookup, the conditional formatting in Excel. You have to learn the pivot table for data summary, for summarizing data very easily, and then pivot chart for data visualization. So after learning and mastering Excel, the next thing you have to do is to build a project in Excel. This is going to show that, okay, you actually know what you actually did. Okay, because if you don't have any project to show what you've done in Excel, then you've really not done anything at all. Let me tell you this now. Okay, so as you're building these skills, you have to be building projects along. Okay, if you learn Excel, then build projects. If you learn another skill, build projects. After learning Excel, the third thing you need to learn to become a data analyst is what we call Power BI or Tableau, but I would recommend you learn Power BI. You don't have to learn both together, but if you can learn both Power BI and Tableau. But for me, if I would start over my data analyst journey again, I would learn Power BI instead of that because I actually learned Tableau first before learning Power BI. But since I started learning Power BI, I have not had any reason to go back to Tableau. Okay, so learn Power BI. So there are basic things you need to learn in Power BI. Power BI is actually a reporting tool. Okay, it's just like for report creation, for chart creation, and for dashboard creation. Okay, so that is what Power BI is for. So there are 4 basic things you need to learn in Power BI if you want to learn Power BI. So the first thing you need to learn in Power BI is what we call Power Query in Power BI. That is, they use Power Query for data clean and data manipulation. So you use Power Query to clean your data and to manipulate your data to your own specific taste. Okay, the second thing you need to learn in Power BI is what we call data modeling in Power BI. So you learn how to model your data so you can create and join multiple tables together to become one table. Okay, so you join 2 or more tables together to become one table in data modeling aspect of Power BI. The third thing you need to learn in Power BI is what we call DAX. Okay, DAX is actually what we call data analysis expression. So DAX will allow you to manipulate your data to create a calculated measure and calculated columns, and even to create your table like a calendar table. So there are different functions you have to learn in DAX as well. You can check DAX documentation out to know the functions you have to learn in DAX. And the fourth thing you need to learn in Power BI is what we call data visualization. This will help you to visualize your data, to create different charts and different visuals and different reports for your data, and create a full dashboard for your data. Okay, after learning Power BI, it's also very advisable to build a project in Power BI that will allow you to show your hiring managers or your friends or anybody that you can easily show them, okay, I've learned Power BI and this is the project I've built in Power BI, and that's going to allow them to know that, okay, this guy actually knows what he's doing in Power BI, he knows this Power BI very well. When they see the project you've built, okay, that is a solid project you've built in Power BI. After learning Power BI, the fourth and the last thing you need to learn to become a data analyst is what we call SQL, or some people call it SQL, okay, but me, I call it SQL because it's actually very easier to call SQL than to call SQL. What do you call it? Okay, so I call it SQL because it's actually easier for me to call that way. So SQL is actually a tool that is used to manipulate database, to retrieve data from database, to store data in database, and to remove data from database, to update data in database. Okay, so basically the summary is to manipulate database. Okay, SQL is used to manipulate database. Okay, so learn basic things in SQL, like SQL joins, to join multiple tables together in database, or learn subquery. Subquery is actually an inner query, or we call it subquery or nested query most of the time. Okay, so learn the subqueries and then learn basic select statements in SQL. Learn the basic functions in SQL, like the aggregation function and the string functions in SQL. Learn the basic filtering and sorting in SQL. After learning and mastering SQL, the next thing you have to do in SQL is to build a project in SQL that will show that, okay, this guy actually knows SQL and he has done some projects in SQL, and this shows that he really knows SQL very, very well. After learning these four skills, the next skill you need to learn is how to build your portfolio website. And don't worry at all, I have a video for you that will allow you to build your portfolio website for absolutely free without no existing knowledge on how to build a website. This video is going to help you to build a portfolio website from ground up. Okay, so build a portfolio website, because as you are learning all these skills, that is, you learn Excel, you build a project, you learn Power BI, you build a project, you learn SQL, you build a project, then you have a place to store all these projects that you have built in each of these skills. And the best place to store this project is what we call a portfolio website. That is, you have this your project in your portfolio, you can easily copy the link to the website, you can now share it to different people, maybe to the hiring managers, your social media profiles. You can save it in your maybe your Twitter profile, your YouTube profile, in LinkedIn profile, any profile at all your social media profile. You can easily save your link there, and then people can easily go there and then see the things you've done. That is, this will show that, okay, you actually know all these skills, and then they can actually vouch for you that, okay, you know these skills that you claim that you know. Then after building your portfolio website, then it is now the next thing to do is to create a CV. Optimize your CV to the industry standard CV. Okay, optimize your CV using what we call a website that I've been using for a while now, and they have a free version and also a premium version, but the premium is actually the best. And the website name is what we call the Kick Resume is the name of the website. The Kick Resume will help you to build your CV, build your cover letter, and even to get, you can even apply to jobs on their website, as they have different jobs, different roles, both remote, on-site, hybrid roles for internship, full-time job, or any job you want at all. They have all of them on their website. I will attach the links to their website in description. Okay, so check it out and then use them. Don't forget to use Kick Resume for all your CV, cover letter, and job applications. As you are applying to jobs, okay, using this Kick Resume, don't forget to keep on improving on your existing skills like Excel, Power BI, and SQL. Improve on this existing skill, because you can't learn everything. Even me, as a data analyst, I have been for the past 3 years, I don't know everything in data analysis. Okay, so you have to keep on improving yourself. Okay, so as you're waiting and then applying to jobs, keep on improving yourselves day by day and every day. Okay, and as you're waiting and applying to jobs, I will recommend you learn Python, because some industry requires you to know Python. So learn how to use Python, maybe basic Python like the Panda, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and then those visualization aspect of it, and then learn how to use objects and classes, functions, variables in Python. Okay, my goal this year is actually to get to 10K subscribers on YouTube, and then I can't do that without your help. I'm sure you like this video a lot, and if you don't like this video, trust me, make your comments. I'm going to improve what you don't like about this video. But if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, because I can't get to 10K without you. I need you to help me, because it's going to help me to even make a better video next time. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. Ciao.